guys, and welcome back to the gardening guys. I'm going to give you a tour of this lovely allotment. Starting off on the front, we've got the slabs down, and Shane has planted a load of different types of onions in the left hand side one. It's got rhubarb on the right, and same again with the red onions on this side. We've got this to put the cabbages in, but obviously we need to recover it.
A few repairs to do on
repairs. It did have some elephant garlic, but as gardening goes, unfortunately it's a hit and miss. Unfortunately they haven't grown.
We think it was too early.
Yeah, possibly too early maybe, or we've buried them too far down in the soil. Number one of the polytunnels. And here's Mr. McGahey.
Hello, hello.
So, as I said in the previous videos, we've potted some broad beans, and Shane is currently doing some marigold flowers.
And some nasturtiums.
And that is hopefully how they will grow.
Promoting Wilkinson's already.
Yep,
We're
definitely.
off to a strong start.
And we've recently filled one of these for water, because obviously in the winter they don't want the taps running, so we're using rainwater, and I'll explain that in the next video. In here we used to use it for keeping moisture in and heat for the plants for the winter, but
there's a bit of a problem with it at the minute.
Repaired. We have a lovely pond with lilies, ducks, obviously
they're not
fake
real
ones, and cauliflowers.
And people might remember from one of Shane's previous videos,
Yep.
your frog rescue was done with that one.
Is this one over there? I think this is
Come on.
rosemary.
Yeah. We'll just make it easy. This is his
That's thyme.
time. Yeah.
Sage.
Yeah. Oh, this is the big one.
That's thyme.
There is something planted there.
Chives.
Thank you.
Chives are planted there.
Voice out of nowhere.
The strawberries are lying dormant here. And I ain't got a single Scooby-Doo what is planting in these.
These are all mint, if I'm not mistaken, Shane, aren't they? The pots, they're all different types of mint. Chocolate mint,
Chocolate
spearmint,
spearmint,
something else.
peppermint, Moroccan mint.
There you go. See? My memory does work. And again, water preservation.
And in the final one, it's currently under construction. We have a lovely piece of wood here for more than likely grapes. The idea is we're going to put a grapevine all the way along, plant some fruit trees, and anything else that Shane wanted planting, like broccoli, cabbage, etc. back in here. And then, as you've seen in a previous video, careful,
Nearly fell over.
we have the shed.
Yeah, we'll cover that in the next video. What's
Around here,
to the back?
we
Is it
used
open?
to keep chickens, but we got rid of them.
That's literally just sitting there.
That's just there. And then in here is where Shane keeps all of his tools, wheelbarrows, ladders, spare bits and bobs, spare batteries for his solar panel in case the other one goes on the brink again. And then there's a greenhouse just full of...
I don't think there's anything in that.
Yeah, there is. There's the...
There's a bench in there.
The bench, there's just bits and bobs that we don't really
I think
need.
it's just
or
back end
use.
storage. Okay. That's plot one.
Yeah,
You're going to do another one
for plot 2 in
for the next one,
video.
and we'll cover the shed.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one.
They call me a god. They call me a god. call me a